Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will diving into the world of VPS hosting. I will be showing you how to purchase a VPS Linux server from HostGator, set it up on CentOS Alma 8, add users so that they can access and work on the server whether you are a developer or just getting started with VPS hosting. This tutorial is for you, so let's get started. So first we will head over to HostGator website. Let me search hostgator.in. Select the VPS hosting. So I will be using self-managed because fully managed, if you purchase fully managed VPS, it is very costly. So that's why I have purchased. It is around 7,000 per month. Okay, that to NVMe disk. Okay, so I have selected this one, self-managed VPS hosting, and I have chosen this one. So you can also purchase this VPS hosting, and I have removed everything in order to reduce the cost. Okay, purchased for 2 years, and we'll be selecting the Alma Linux 8. Okay, nothing, it is self-managed service what we are going to purchase, so it will be around 22,000, but I have purchased this. Here one coupon is available, it will be around 10,000. It was 10,000 for me, for you also it will be around same. Also you need to add your domain. If you don't have, you can register a new domain from here. If you have already some domain, then you can use the existing domain as well. So I had the existing domain, so I have purchased. Once you complete this process or this plan, you can click on buy and follow the steps to complete your purchase. Make sure you enter the domain details if you have one. Once you have completed your purchase, you will receive an email with your VPS details. Now that we have our VPS setup, let's access it with use an SSH client like Putty if you are using on Windows, or you can use terminal if you are using Mac or Linux. Okay, just we need to enter the IP address, and user should be our root by default, I guess, and the password you will get on email. Okay, let me show you how you can install the Putty if you don't have. So we have putty.org for Windows. So the first website, download Putty, a free SSH and telnet client for Windows. So you can download directly from here, putty.org. I will add these links on descriptions as well. So once you have installed, you will be able to access Putty like this. Okay, I want to connect with SSH with this server. So the server is blank and we cannot access using like Windows or something else. So we don't have anything, just we have one command prompt by which we will be able to access that server. It's a blank server, so I am going to install everything from scratch. I will create series of videos for this because the cost difference is very huge. Here in the case of self manage, your the cost will be 7,000 around for 1 month, and I have purchased for 2 years because it is self managed, and we can also manage it, and we'll show you how to install different type of applications, how to deploy applications, will install Docker, okay, Kubernetes, everything, and databases, MySQL. Apart from that, we will implement microservices architecture as well. Everything, whatever is required for a cloud or hosting, we will add everything to this server, and we will show you with the tutorial as well. So next tutorials will be very, exciting and important for us. So let me type the IP address. So you will get IP address here. Okay, SSH, and I want to save this session as VPS new. Save this. This is my VPS new, and I want to open. Accept. By default, user is root, and the password is in my email address. Coming to Putty, paste here. You won't see the password, but I'm able to log in. Okay, so I'm doing some basic command here. cd/where should be there. Okay, so now that we are logged in, let's ensure this OS is Alma 8 is up to date. So run the following commands: sudo yum update -y. So it will download the update as well. It will take some time to update. Once it is completed, we will add few users and we'll try to log in it, and this tutorial will end. And later in the next tutorial, we will install different or various softwares. I will let you know one by one. We'll install Java and all. Almost 62% is completed. So we have purchased a blank VPS server and we are doing it from scratch, okay, with very low cost. And we will be able to deploy our Java application, Node application, Python related application like machine learning or AI related application. So we will set up everything here. It's completed. The sudo yum update command has been completed. Now we can start our configuration. Okay, so let's add few users who can access and work on this server. So to add the users, we need to use the command like sudo add user and let's say Aman. And now we need to set up the password for this user. So sudo password and username and hit enter. So I want to change the password of this user. So new password should be the password failed directory checks. It is based on directory word. Password is does not match. Let me write again. Okay. Password authentication tokens updated successfully. Let me close this window and log in that user. Here my user is Aman and I have already set it some password for it. Great. So I am able to access the system using this user. So next topic we will discuss about roles and how we can manage multiple users. Okay. So that's it. We have successfully purchased a VPS from HostGator. Already set it up with Alma 8 Linux and added users to the server. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.